Did you know you can teleport in survival Minecraft without cheating in any way? You can use this machine behind me. So it doesn't need to be this complex, it's just this is the most complex and best system you can make, or you can do it a lot simpler. So what this is it's an ender pearl status chamber. So what you need to do is you come, right click on here, look down, hold shift. If you don't hold shift it won't work. See, it hits the bottom. If you hold shift and come to the edge and then do it, then it bobbles up and down. Now this is a little timer thing. It's set to 20 seconds. The way it works is for every 5 items you have in here, it equals 4 seconds. So if you wanted it to be 30 seconds, let's say, you divide that by 4. Now that's not a whole number, it would be 7.5. Then you times that by 5. The way you activate this is you press the button, then the clock thing starts working. After 10 seconds this will shift back, and then after another 10 seconds the hatch will close, teleporting. Now this here is a chunk loader which keeps this running. If you weren't building this in the spawn chunks, you would need this chunk loader for the timer thing, because otherwise if you go too far away it wouldn't work. There's another way you could do this. You could have this activated by a friend, and if you're doing that you can just have a trapdoor, ignore this and ignore this, and then the person can just come over, flick the trapdoor, and you get teleported over. So to build the actual ender pearl status chamber, what you have to do is you have to dig 7 blocks down, place a soul sand, so now this hole is 6 blocks deep, then you place water the whole way up. I think I missed a block. Now you'll need to place a trapdoor like that, so it's above the water, not in the water. Ender pearl works fine, and you can just leave it like this, and then someone can flick that. Now if you want to add the timer, you then put a block here, then you need 2 hoppers here and here facing into each other, then you put a comparator going out from both of them into blocks, but you've already got the block that side. Then you put redstone dust on top of the side with the trapdoor on, needs this piston, and then the other side needs a sticky piston. Then you put it on like that and do the little math thing. This is working. Now you can also add the button. I just put a button on there. Now if you want to, you can build the chunk loader thing I've built over there. So to build this, you have to get 3 droppers and go duh, duh, duh. You put your comparator like that, a block like this, note block here. Then your observer goes facing into the droppers. 3 blocks on top of the droppers, and then you just make a normal nether portal frame. Then to stop any items bursting out in any direction other than into the portal, you need a block here, a block here, and a block here. Then you need 2 hoppers which go like this. Then you need 2 rails which go like this. Then you need a block here to stop the minecarts, or the hopper minecarts you're about to put down, from rolling off. Then you need to put blocks all the way up here to stop any items shooting out. Go in. Now that we're on the other side, we have to build the same contraption. Okay, now we've built it, you get inside and you light the portal. Now since I moved a little bit too far away by the look of things, it's put the portal in the wrong place. You need to make sure the portal's in the right place. That's how you build it. We can seal this up now. Wherever you put this in the overworld, you divide that number by 8, and that's where you put the portal in the nether. So that chunk loader is now working, and so is your little timer thing. We can give it a try. Let's get a ender pearl. But oh, here we go. Teleported back. Maybe you could run into someone's base and do something and then get teleported out after a little bit or something. That would be kind of cool. But I think that's where we're gonna have to end today's video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Like, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified. Bye!